Sukhino Bhavantu. Do you spend so much time helping others that you forget to take care of yourself? Tonight is your time to release emotional weight and come back to your own center. Let's start with laughing. Take a sip of water. Let's do 3 random gratitude for. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Now, take a deep breath. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Relax. Today, we are going to do multiple places of EFT releasing points. Repeat after me. Take your left hand, open your eyes and watch wherever I'm tapping, tap and repeat after me. I take 100% responsibility of all the situations and emotions happening in my life, I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. I take 100% responsibility for all the emotions I'm going through in my life. I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. I take 100% responsibility for all those emotions causing me different situations. I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. Now, even though knowingly, unknowingly, I created blocks in this body, mind, and soul in different ways, by seeing them, by listening to them, talking about them, and feeling inside me. Whether it is positive or negative, good or bad, emotionally or physically, I created these emotional blocks in my body, mind, and soul, which is reflecting in health, relationship, career, and financially. Releasing all those blocks unknowingly created, knowingly or unknowingly created in this body, mind, and soul. Spending so much time helping others and forgetting about myself to take care of myself. That is also created blocks. Everyone has their own journey. I am not responsible for anyone. I am only responsible for myself. In energy level, we are all one. They have their own journey. In order to serve others, I need to serve myself. Take care of myself first. The more I nurture myself, love myself, understand my emotions, all the situations become so easy and effortless. All these situations is causing me to learn lesson, not for them. How to handle those emotions when this situation happen, when this responsibility have to be taken care. How am I feeling about that? Am I enjoying this process? What is bothering me inside? Thank you for all these relations, parents, mother, father, mother-in-law, father-in-law, sisters, brothers, kids, friends, family. Everybody is here to teach me lessons, learn emotional balances. For that to understand, I need to understand myself. For that, I have to spend myself releasing all those blocks unknowingly created in my mind, taking that responsibility of others in my body, mind, and soul, which created blocks, which affecting my health, my relationships with myself and others, and my career. The people attract depends on my emotional balances. the more I love myself and release those blocks, which caused from many years, many births, till now. If I don't realize myself emotionally and heal emotionally and take care of myself, it keep on repeating in the future and future lives. Taking a pause and asking myself, is it helping me? How I'm living right now, the emotions I'm going through, are they empowering me or taking my energy low? If those things draining my energy, do I need to continue this? Or spending time releasing those blocks and blessing those people and situations coming to me, which showing me my true self. Until I recognize and I'm aware of my emotional patterns, these keep on repeating life after life. Do I want to continue this in the next life or release them in this life? For that, universe gave me different options. Whenever I feel low, laugh. When I laugh, the pattern changes, the emotions changes. Replacing those old emotions into empowering energy inside me. Gratitude for what I have, what I am happy for, rather than what I am not happy for. And every situation right till now, showing me the experience, emotions, how to handle them, how to take care, and getting better of myself, becoming powerful every day. Whatever remaining, I'm letting go from body, mind, and soul, which is no longer making a impact in me, serving myself with those emotional blocks. From now onwards, from this moment, I will be aware of my emotions and situations. The more I am aware of those and realize them and handle them, the more peace and emotionally am happy. Situations change, people change, things change. Only I need to do is change my frequency. The more I change, the more I attract to that frequency. And that level of problems comes. But I can handle that by changing my emotions, overriding, being aware of them, and letting go from body, mind, and soul. I'm a divine energy, divine soul, experiencing in different ways. Letting go all those blocks from body, mind, and soul. Feeling emotionally overwhelmed by family, work, and daily responsibilities, and releasing them, resetting and recharging with positive energies, positive beliefs. It is a daily process. As I'm living every single day, same way releasing all those, cleaning all those emotions, Emotions are same, situations are different. Until I learn those emotions, situations keep on changing in different ways, different forms, and letting go all those blocks affecting me in body, mind and soul. Release from body, mind and soul. Releasing in all areas of my life. Releasing in health, all those blocks from body, mind and soul. Releasing all those blocks from relationships, from body, mind and soul, which is blocking me, and letting go all those from body, mind and soul. In career, releasing all those blocks in career, whatever is affecting me to grow, body, mind and soul. Releasing all financial issues from body, mind and soul. Letting go all those blocks from body, mind and soul. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now take a deep breath. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Now relax and release. Sit in a comfortable position for next 30 minutes. You can sit on chair, on floor. You can take support on the of your back. Make sure your back straight and less movements in the body. Close your eyes. Relax your face. Relax your head. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders and hands. Relax your chest. Relax your waist. Relax your thighs. Relax your knees. Relax your calves. Relax your feet. Relax each and every cell in this body. Observe your natural breath. The more you observe your natural breath, the slowly the thoughts disappear and you'll be aware of your present moment. and bring it back to your natural breath. You don't have to repeat anything. Observe your breath. Those who want to continue in this state, you can be as long as you want. If you want to come out of this state, slowly be aware of your surroundings, aware of your body. Rub your palms together. Place it on your eyes, on your face, all over your body. Open your eyes. In one word, write down on the text box or take a notebook. Write how you felt. Are you feeling these kind of calmness rest of your day with other situations? You cannot change anything. Only thing you can change is yourself. How you feel about it. Then things started to change. Sukhino bhavantu.